buddies, it's your girl AyChristene, and today we are checking out Birds for Some Reason by Avocado Animations. Links down below to become a patron to get the uncut reaction to all the shows and anime we check out. Just like a Boodle of Noodles, Starwish Buggy, Lint Liquor, Javis Chisholm, TZ, Mooch33, and J Plaza 23. Links down below, like I said. Now let's get started.
On the way to Chicago, where she was all alone.
Okay.
So as I saw her ask her for a name, she smiled and looked at me. I was
This man had a voice.
That a
Wow.
woman like that was real into me. She said she didn't have no man.
Oh, wow.
She told me she was all alone. Said I don't didn't have no one. She said doesn't get enough bitch.
Hey. Look at him dancing.
Never would have thought she was living
Oh,
like
the tear.
her words seemed so
Oh, the
sincere.
tear.
When I held her near, she would tell me how she feels.
Oh, he remembers the dance from 5 seconds ago.
This girl, she had to be an angel sent from heaven just
Wait.
for me. She said she didn't have no man.
Why is he dancing? They're dancing together? Okay. Hey. Okay. All right. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. That was great. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. Links down below to become a patron to get the uncut reaction to all the shows and anime we check out. I love you guys as always. And until next time, buddies. Toodles.